Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by aligning with stakeholders. Confirm 3-5 KPIs and how often they need reports. Next, identify and map data sources, ERP, CRM, spreadsheets, and any APIs, so you know which fields matter. Once done, secure access, set user roles, obtain DB credentials, and verify VPN or SSO works. Make sure to document schemas as you go. This saves time. Begin extracting a small sample dataset immediately to validate mappings and permissions before full ingestion. You now focus on preparation and design. First, clean and normalize data, remove duplicates, standardize date and currency formats, and resolve missing keys. Then design the data model, define fact tables, dimensions, primary keys, and the appropriate granularity for reporting. After that, implement ETL or ELT pipelines with incremental loads, retries, and detailed error logging. Make sure to schedule jobs aligned with business cadence and test with edge cases so dashboards reflect reliable, timely metrics. You finish by building dashboards that surface chosen KPIs with useful filters and annotations and set access levels per role. Once completed, run user acceptance tests, confirm numbers, check performance, and reconcile totals against source systems. Deploy to production with a rollback plan and enable monitoring. Alert on pipeline failures, track audit logs, and schedule health checks. If things go wrong, first check recent ETL runs and alerts. Most issues are data schema changes or credential expiry. Fix those, then reprocess affected back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.